Hey everyone, this is just a quick trailer for a new episode about to come. A new series, my bad. Just like a random episode. But just to start, before I say anything about this series, which this goes with the series, um, you see this blue bar right here? We gotta get killed, we gotta make it look like this green bar, and we gotta make this green bar look like this blue bar. And yeah, because it's saying 191 people watch the videos but have not subscribed yet. We need that subscribe button to go up, I think. I think that's how it works on here. And then for the new series idea, I'll be showing because I think I'm kind of getting more and more used to, I think I'm understanding more what these statistics are showing. You hear that? It's a chip bag opening. And so yeah, I think I understand how these statistics are working more. So I can start describing them. And what I'll do is, since I see you can't really, although I don't know how to make it scroll back or forward yet. Daily, weekly. Okay. Now let's go monthly. It kind of does it, but yearly. Yeah, it doesn't do it. Why is it only showing 1 year, the new year? Okay. It's probably just because it's new, I guess. Okay, that makes sense. Anyways, go back to daily here. Yeah, I'm gonna start understanding how this works more. And yeah, I mean I already do kinda I could check out which video gets the views, and I already have an idea of what to talk about for this series. But before we go, one last thing, don't forget, if you're watching and not subscribed, look at this. This is the subscribe status. See that blue line? How it's just overpowering that green line? That's not good for the series. That's like the series Kryptonite right there. I think that's how it works. But I don't know, because what if, see, I have to understand this a little bit more, because what if we have so many subscribers that no, okay, it should kill that blue bar still. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure if we get more subscribers and those watchers that don't subscribe, then boom, we'll beat them. What's this subscribe source? I don't know what that is. But yeah, I'm understanding this. I don't know what that is. Yeah. Okay. Well, guys, I hope you guys want to see some of that stuff. And of course, it's not going to get in the way of any other series that's out there already, and that's going to be created, because this series is going to be really easy to do, honestly. And I want to do it because it'll help me practice with a presentation, and also being able to talk statistics, I guess. I don't know, but numbers, even though they're just numbers. Peace out and stay awesome. Hopefully with this video series and all these uploads I'm doing, it'll help us see, be able to tell, I don't know, the statistics easier. But yeah, so I've been uploading daily, and I've been doing that since for 14 to 15 days. There's 14, 15 videos a day. That's what it looks like. And I'm thinking about, if I go 12 more videos or 12 more days doing this, I'll get the whole row filled up. And I'm thinking about trying to do that. And plus it's been, I don't know, I think it's gonna help with views too. At least it'll be I don't know, more things to view for the channel, on the channel. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and let's see if we can we'll check that, let me see here, where's that bar at? How do we get that bar again? It was funny at the beginning of this video. I'm like, I'm learning how to use it, and now I'm like, a couple weeks later, I kind of forgot. I forgot how to do the bar. Oh, here we go. Here we go. The bar. Now where's? So here's videos for now, and so far the couple weeks later, and Cubic Castle is still in the lead with the views, and then the comedy stand-up, the second episode's kind of catching up there, and Roblox Surfing's right behind that. Then we got our food review over here. Then finally, random, or I guess vlogs, is right behind that. And see our geography. But now we got 76 in the United States, 13 in Germany. Oh, that's cool. Last time I checked, it didn't show Germany. 10 in Canada. Yeah, last time I checked, it showed United States and then unknown. So the fact that we're seeing other countries, that's really awesome. Even though it's just 2 other countries, that's still awesome. Traffic source. I'm looking for like the subscription status. Oh, here we go. This is what I was looking for. I don't know if this is different from the start of the video or what, but now the green bar is 122 and then the blue bar is 256. So yeah, I think it has been going up a lot since last time we checked. Maybe we could get that green bar to beat that blue bar. That's your main goal on YouTube. You want that green bar to be beating that blue bar, that's for sure. And this is in the subscription status. And how I got here is by I clicked on manage videos and then I went to analytics over here, and then I went to see more, like from Simpsons. And then I went to subscription status over here. Also, I changed this into the bar graph, which you do over here, and that's how you get here. And yeah, that's also how you get over here by the video. That's how I checked the videos just now. But I think at the end of this video we'll check what it looks like in 12 days. Actually, this is like this is a whole month-long video to make. Honestly, it's crazy. Good night, buddy. Thanks for watching.